Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. Hi again. Okay, we are doing our letter sound cards, just the ones that we have been reviewing this week. Okay, I want you to follow along with Mrs. Hensley. Here we go. F, fun, f. C, cat, k. T, top, t. M, man, B, bat, b. N, nut, n. U, up, G, game, g. I, itch, I. A, apple, a. O, octopus, ah. Okay, we're going to do it one more time. Ready? Let's try this again. Okay, F, fun, f. C, cat, k. T, top, t. M, man, B, bat, b. N, nut, n. U, up, G, game, g. I, itch, I. A, apple, a. O, octopus, ah. Okay, Mrs. Hensley's friends, now that we've done our letter sound cards on the letters, we are reviewing letters and sounds this week. You are now going to write uppercase and lowercase letters of the letters that we have learned so far, okay? So you will now click the green add response button and you will write your uppercase and your lowercase letters, okay? It's a review of all the ones that we've learned so far. Okay, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your Wednesday, and Mrs. Hensley will talk to you soon. Bye, friends.